Good morning. Welcome to today's 10-minute meditation. Today's focus is going to be on rejuvenating. After a 3-day weekend, sometimes we need to rejuvenate after that extra hot dog or too much drink from this, just enjoying the fact that we had some time off. And as you can see, I enjoyed myself and I'm not completely set up yet. I'm Nora Truscello with Intuition. Please visit me on my page and learn a little bit more. In the meantime, let's get started right into our meditation. Oh my goodness. I think I was talking and none of this went through. I just noticed I was on broadcasting. Just in case, welcome to today's 10-minute meditation. We are going to focus on rejuvenation after a 3-day holiday. It's nice to rejuvenate our bodies, get them back in sync, recovering from those extra hot dogs. I am Nora Truscello from intuition.com. Please visit me when you have a chance. Let's get started. We are going to as always, begin with the Lord's Prayer and the prayer of protection. Then we will move into a guided silent place. We'll sit there for a few moments. The silence will end with the chimes so as not to jolt you out. We will bring ourselves fully back with the 23rd Psalm. All right, let us get started. So let out a deep breath and let out everything in your lungs. Then take a big inhale. And as you let go, close your eyes and say the prayers with me if you know them, or repeat them after me if you aren't sure of the words. So let's get started. As I approach the throne of grace, beauty, and might, I throw about myself the protections found in the thought of the Christ. Our Father, who art in heaven, hallowed be thy name. Thy kingdom come, thy will be done, on earth as it is in heaven. Give us this day our daily bread, and forgive us our trespasses, as we forgive those who trespass against us. And lead us not into temptation, but deliver us from evil. For the kingdom, the power, and the glory are yours, now and forever. Let us just relax and scan our bodies. Start from the top of your head, run down. Notice any tightness, any discomfort. Invite it to relax with your mind. Bring your attention to it and invite that part of your body to relax and let go. Let us bring our attention back to the top of our head and our third eye, between our eyebrows on our forehead. This is where the energy of the divine, of God, of all that is, comes into us. The flow comes in through to our head, straight out our feet, and then it just circulates around and comes back. We are continuously being fed divine energy that has everything we need. We're going to follow this path as it flows through our body, and we're going to watch it rejuvenate, stimulate, encourage the growth of healthy cells, discourage any illness. We're going to watch it work as we go through our body, strengthening and preparing for this, the beginning of a shorter week. So, watching the energy come into our head, notice its color. Sometimes it's white, sometimes it's green because it's healing. Could be blue, purple, could be almost anything. Right now, mine has so many tiny little flakes of color. I'm not sure what's going on. I'm just going to accept it. As it fills my head, I feel healing. I feel stimulated. I feel the vibration of the energy at a very high level. Notice what's going on and invite that energy into your body to completely heal and rejuvenate you. Now let's follow it into our throat, our will center. Notice how it expands. Notice how that part of your body is vibrating. Let's bring it into our shoulders and arms and hands. Allow it to move where it needs to, into your trunk of your body, affecting every organ, every blood vessel, every muscle. Give it a moment and feel the vibration. Let it move into your seat and legs, your knees, your ankles, your feet and toes. All of you is now fully accepting of this beautiful energy turned on its healing mode. Let us follow it out of your feet, slightly into the ground, right back up along the side of you to the divine. Feel that unbelievable high pitch of energy as you reach up, and now you're turning back and coming into your head again. Let us sit with this movement going around and around, and wherever you need to pay extra attention, bring that attention, your attention to that spot. Wherever you are in circulating the energy, bring your attention back solidly into your body. Raise your thoughts up in thanksgiving and gratitude for this opportunity to fully rejuvenate your body. Give thanks and be grateful. And let us close with the 23rd Psalm. The Lord is my shepherd, I shall not want. He maketh me to lie down in green pastures. He leadeth me beside the still waters. He restoreth my soul. He leadeth me in a path of righteousness for his name's sake. Yea, though I walk through the valley of the shadow of death, I will fear no evil, for thou art with me. Thy rod and thy staff, they comfort me. Thou preparest a table before me in the presence of my enemies. Thou anointest my head with oil. My cup runneth over. Surely goodness and mercy shall follow me all the days of my life, and I will dwell in the house of the Lord forever. Amen. Please remember to like and share. Can you imagine if all our Facebook friends took 10 minutes out a day to meditate? What a much more peaceful place this world would be. So please remember to like and share and throw in a comment if you wish. Look forward to seeing you all tomorrow. Have a blessed day. Bye-bye.